Thanks so much for staying with us this evening for the weather report and forecast. Now, we do have stable conditions across most of the Caribbean this evening. We did have some isolated showers occur across sections of Hispaniola because we do have a shallow trough system in the upper levels across sections of the area. And we also have cloudy conditions across sections of the northeast. However, very little thunderstorm activity across the region. High pressure dominates at this time. The forecast for tonight, fair skies across most of the island. Temperatures are dropping to about 23 degrees Celsius. We expect winds at 5 knots on both coasts this tonight going into tomorrow. On the south coast, 5 knots, also along the north coast, and temperatures of 23 degrees Celsius. Now in the morning tomorrow, expected to be partly cloudy if you're in sections of St. Mary or Portland, but it's generally sunny elsewhere. And then for the afternoon, partly cloudy conditions are across inland areas, particularly inland areas of central and western parishes. Temperatures 30 degrees Celsius, both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. We expect another partly cloudy day for most of the area tomorrow. That's in the southeast, also across central sections of Maype and Mandeville. Santa Cruz and Black River, we are expecting it to be partly cloudy. Strong winds are expected across the west in Negril and Lucy, also in Montego Bay and Falmouth. We are also expecting windy conditions across Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, Port Maria, Port Antonio, and Golden Spring, with partly cloudy skies also expected. In Moco, Christiana, as well as Grange Hill, Duncans, K Valley, and Richmond, we are expecting it to be partly cloudy, with some isolated showers possible in the afternoon in Moortown. Now, the next few days, partly cloudy skies in the afternoons on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. For our marine forecast on the north coast, winds tomorrow, east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, the winds are also east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And then for offshore areas, you can expect the winds from the northeast at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. In our offshore outlook, we're expecting a similar conditions on Thursday, but on Friday and Saturday, the winds turn more east-northeasterly. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow, 6 minutes after 6, 9 minutes after 6 in Mandeville, and at 12 minutes after 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.